Mamuina Aquaba at the bank assertive native. I am my henny at Nasi at the Simbia Betubia concerning and Sansambia, a cost or Yamame, former Chief Justice Gertrude Arabas Tukunu Akachi. Rochemo Aka sent in A. Excellency John Dramani Mahama, with some judges be our Sanso appointment as a Supreme Court judge. Asam Ketuana. It's a seminar, say, the Attorney General. Aquacushia, Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the 2 years, the Muslim to us Sakino. As Chief Justice Nelson Sanka, on the right, as Sansu Edemano, as a Supreme Court judge, and from the Tometinasi, no Bobo, who no Mameno, another chance to become a Chief Justice native for. You couldn't put tea in summer a Omahini editorial, Madamina.
I can't go to the Muntin to the Ekakodia contact. A better man say yes, you lose your job as Chief Justice. But Juma
in your mind, to for judicial review.
And
I attach Attorney General.
Not Attorney
General, so I could be for interpretation. I see a little sympathy here.
Yes.
Our parents, your mama, and Malcolm team, a casse. Why they? Meaning, say, Council of State, no name pedophobia, a dinkomo. I can't say, John, where they too much. It go through the legal means. Now enquire say, Supreme Court will give an interpretation. Say, yes, you be as Chief Justice, but on the judicial side, he has a profession. And yet say, from SWO, say as a judge, but conduct in the office of Chief Justice and our form.
But throughout the man, and then they
send your Chief Justice and Konya
conditions. But Juma as a judge, or from in her duty as a judge, ruling Diana and Diana say be our incompetent and now stated misbehavior. Say no count there, and the position as a Chief Justice on a dealing with this one monetary it is affecting. Haven't you seen some headmaster? Yeah, demoted.
Yes,
because of a memory.
Yes.
The teacher Juma and Fini said, Yampamono, you demoted to man the classroom.
Yes.
My petition to remove Justice Kolende over alleged misconduct. Request to investigate his lordship Justice Ayine Kolende and Richard Jakpa for conspiring to interfere with the administration of justice. I hope this reached you in good spirit. I'm a citizen of the Republic of Ghana with a keen interest in the development of the rule of law, good governance, and democracy. In January 2023, the Republic of Ghana commenced the prosecution of accused person in case of bearing the title Republic versus Kasalato Forcing and two others. Richard Antumna Jakpa, the current director of operations of National Security Council, who was dishonorably released from the Ghana Armed Forces in November 2007 for unsatisfactory conduct and failure to pass his examination, was the third accused. The said Richard Jakpa, as subsequently became obvious from the proceeding, is the cousin of Justice Ayine Kolende, a Supreme Court judge. In the course of the trial, it was revealed that right from the first day of accused person were arraigned before court, 18 January, Richard Jakpa deployed the highly influential justice of the Supreme Court, Ayine Kolende, to obstruct the course of justice in the case with the ultimate object of ensuring that the prosecution of Richard Jakpa was either abated by the then Attorney General Godfred Yeboah Dame, or he, Jakpa, was acquitted. The act of Justice Kolende and Richard Jakpa border on the commission of crimes relating to interfering with legal proceedings. The following facts, evidence of which I will produce, bear this out. Where are the facts? Then you go on. Or the WhatsApp communication between Jakpa and the Attorney General. Move kai sa se mu ya we pie mu. Se omukoshia Ayine Kolende fie. Edi di nkomo mo ka se nka wonwu ne emamu ma na so omutwitwa ne emabi so the Jakpa na na be kae. Eno ena abranche bi di krata akoma omampani jo mama se Ayine Kolende omfata so be trans Supreme Court. Na Jakpa so omfata se obe hold you a national position of such repute as the Director of National Security. Mama has been petitioned to investigate And then Japano, you remember na step aside. And now prima facie case you have to be established whether or not the investigation go on. But you only Kolende there or a justice of the Supreme Court. It is quite a fast justice of the Supreme Court to say Article 146 when a petition or Mampeni will have to wassle to Council of State to determine whether or not
should step aside from their various.
I don't know whether the president will, well, if a prima facie case is established, the president will have to suspend Unicolinde. Only the so chief justice to only the sentasa the board obeying the outright.
The law is not the law.
The law is not the law.
The law is not the law.
Chifu Atimokwa MP David Bondi has apologized after public backlash over his remarks on the viral video of a suspended KNUST assistant headmaster. The MP has suggested the student consented to the act, sparking criticism. The new Naman forces are quite to say, "Oh no, I'm so we quality." Now, Yakochu will be video no of Fondo Akrakitwa, as also the new for. O say, get a penny somehow, Umiemi Anunti. Now, MP. Now, I say, Chifu Timo Kankwalano, who will be Anna. David Bonde.
Tutor what it is in the relationship he had. So we share video in a year.
Okay.
Sincerely, the man was not forcing the young girl.
One forcing akwadano.
No, don't.
Okay.
One forcing young girl. No.
Okay.
It was more of a consented thing. That portions of the statement I made during the discussion was taken out of context and was placed, and it was all over the place, which of course was suggesting that I sided with the head tutor in the relationship he had with the student. Ladies and gentlemen, I would want to plead with all of you and to all Ghanaians who may be watching me now that if that video played by Adum TV brought any discomfort to anybody, I apologize.
Yeah, now, some now me kind of taken out of context. The contest out to be no. As I'm no say we share video no na we share. Awurano papa na mfoso no. Ono a na pene so no de ne ho koye. We contest baby.
Say you consented.
Oh, you use the word.
Who use you no say
you consented. Mutual amorous act.
So mbe mi omo ho.
Oh baby, and one side bushafo. Manuapa.
Monfancheme.
That's how they say it was taken out of context. Contest.
Okra de oka brofo.
Okra de oka hono kanchi.
O wie no sabeka no brofo.
Nanka. So we share video no a.
So
papa no wan force no.
Adi waka.
Na ya wan de anu abako no. On the weekend no.
Are serious? Akota enema ekoso wo ye secondary schools ni mo.
Teacher ni no. Na tupa mu den. Asante owi.
Ibi kura so ye house master.
Voter region.
Ibi kire se avoid oti region na yes.
Oti region.